Welcome all of you on my YouTube channel Knowledge Junction. Do like, share and subscribe for latest videos. We are in the question of the day series, which is for CSIR NET, GATE Mathematics, IIT JAM, GATE Engineering. So we are in linear algebra. So here the question number 9. The system of linear equation as given as coefficient matrix 2 1 3 3 0 1 1 2 5 A B C unknown matrix 5 minus 4 and 14 constant matrix has. This question comes in GATE 2014 and your options are a unique solution, A, B, infinitely many solutions, C, no solution, D, exactly two solution. So let the given system of linear equation is as given as, you study when you have a given system of linear equation. So this is valid, like a system, that system can have unique solution, can have infinitely many solution and also have no solution, but it never we have exactly two solution. So easily you can discard your option D from your previous knowledge of system of equation. So here we define this matrix as A, consider A, and this is x variable matrix, and this is constant matrix, this is coefficient matrix A. So we consider augment matrix as A and B, AB augmented matrix. So here your matrix augmented matrix comes as 2 1 3 5 3 0 1 minus 4 1 2 5 14. So now we operate applying operation R1 interchange with R3. So your row now augmented matrix turn as 1 2 5 14 3 0 1 minus 4 2 1 3 5. Now apply operation on R2 as R2 minus 3 R1 on R3 as R3 minus twice R1. So we have, that is 1 2 5 14 0 minus 6 minus 14 minus 46 0 minus 3 minus 7 minus 23. We apply operation on R3 as minus 2 R3 multiply by minus 2, R3 multiply by minus 2. So your augmented matrix turn as 1 2 5 14 0 minus 6 minus 14 minus 46 0 6 14 46. So simply you apply a operation of adding any of both R1 or R2 on R3. So we apply R3 as R2 plus R3. So our matrix turn as 1 2 5 14 0 minus 6 minus 14 minus 46 and 0 0 0. Your R3 turn as 0 column, 0 row. So we find that rank of A equal to 2. If we are considering rank of this matrix A equal to 2, which is equal to rank of augmented to matrix AB, less than, which is less than number of variable, as we have number of variable 3. So this system of linear equation has infinitely many solution. So option B is very correct. So here the question for practice: for what value of x will the matrix given below become singular? And we have the matrix of 3 cross 3, that is 8 x 0 4 0 2 12 6 0. So now, and we have option as 4, 6, 8 and 12. So let this matrix assume as A, and you know, for the singularity of the matrix, determinant of A equal to 0. If a matrix is singular, then its determinant equal to 0. This is the condition for singularity. So we put this matrix in the determinant, that is 8x 0 4 0 2 12 6 0 equal to determinant equal to 0, and we have the solution like this, and we find that x equal to 4. So the value of x, if we put the value of x, then this matrix becomes singular. So our option A is very correct. Thank you very much for liking, sharing and subscribing my channel. Do like, share and being with me in this scientific journey to crack GATE.